Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Grizzy Toys is probably one of the most entertaining toy collections for kids who love the Grizzy and the Lemmings cartoon. These toys bring the hilarious antics of Grizzy and the Lemmings to life, offering a fun and engaging experience for children. From plush figures to playsets, there's a wide variety of options to choose from, each designed to spark imagination and creativity. Get ready to dive into the world of Grizzy and the Lemmings with these awesome toys. Number 5. LEGO Ideas 21319 Central Perk Building Kit. This is the LEGO Ideas Central Perk set. It's a brick-built version of the famous cafe. It's packed with details to inspire memories. The set includes minifigures of Ross, Rachel, Chandler, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, and Gunther. They come with accessories to roleplay memorable scenes. This collectible LEGO toy makes a great gift for fans of the show. It offers a rewarding building experience for adults. You can build it solo or with friends and family. This set is compatible with other LEGO construction toys. You can create your own mashup models and unique stories with it. The set measures over 4 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It will make a big impression when displayed in any room or office. What we like. This set recreates the iconic Central Perk Cafe, allowing you to build and display a piece of TV history. It includes detailed minifigures of your favorite characters, perfect for recreating memorable scenes. If you are a fan of the show and enjoy building, this set is a must-have, offering a rewarding experience and a fantastic display piece. What people say. The Grizzy and the Lemmings figures are well made and durable. The toys accurately represent the characters from the show. The figures are a good size for small hands and easy to play with. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet 76191. Behold the LEGO Marvel Infinity Gauntlet. This set meticulously recreates the iconic Gauntlet from the Avengers movies. It's a stunning display piece. This golden Thanos glove features movable fingers and vibrant Infinity Stones. It perfectly captures the look from Avengers, Infinity War and Endgame. The details are amazing. This LEGO set is a must-have for any Marvel fan or model-making enthusiast. It's designed for adults and teens, making it a great gift or personal treat. You can display it proudly. The set includes a sturdy stand with a descriptive tablet. It's perfect for your office or home decor. It's sure to be the center of attention. Looking for a unique gift? This LEGO Marvel set is an excellent choice. It's a great Christmas gift for men, women, or anyone who loves the Avengers. They will love it. What we like. The set features the iconic Infinity Gauntlet, capturing the essence of the Marvel movies. It boasts movable fingers and vibrant colors, making it a stunning display piece. If you are a Marvel fan looking for a unique and eye-catching collectible, this is the perfect addition to your collection, showcasing your love for the Avengers. What people say. The Grizzy and the Lemmings toys are well made and durable. The figures are accurately designed to resemble the characters from the show. The toys are a great way for kids to engage with the Grizzy and the Lemmings universe. Number 3. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. This is the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, designed for Fire tablets. It's an award-winning learning game that brings a child's actions to life. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making it perfect for learning anywhere. Use the sticks and rings to explore shapes and colors in Shape Builder. Practice counting and build numbers in Counting Town. It's a fun way to learn while playing. Learn letter formation and phonics with ABCs, creating images in Squiggle Magic. Children will love watching their creations come to life on screen. It's a great way to develop early literacy skills. Experiment with clothes and colors in Costume Party. Solve creative stories and find solutions to obstacles. This game encourages imagination and critical thinking. Osmo helps children learn early math, reading, and essential life skills. It provides real-time feedback, allowing kids to learn through experimentation in a stress-free environment. It's geared towards children and a love of learning. The kit includes the Osmo base, costume pieces, sticks, rings, and a gameplay mat. It also comes with 6 fun game maps. Everything is designed to make learning interactive and engaging. The Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit is compatible with various Fire tablet models. Please check the compatibility details to ensure it works with your device. The minimum Fire OS version needed is 7. What we like. This kit offers interactive learning games, engaging children with hands-on experiences. It focuses on early STEM skills, making learning fun and educational. If you have young children aged 3 to 5 and want to introduce them to learning in a fun way, this kit provides an excellent foundation for their development. What people say. I recently purchased the Grizzy and the Lemmings toy set, and I have to say, it's been a hit with my kids. The figures are well made and durable, able to withstand the rough play of young children. The attention to detail on the characters is impressive, they look just like they do in the show. The set includes various accessories that allow for different play scenarios, which keeps the kids entertained for hours. Number 2. BOMOCO 69 holes bubble gun. This bubble gun can generate thousands of bubbles per minute. It has 4 colorful lights to create amazing effects, day or night. You'll enjoy a colorful scene as it blows out rich, colorful bubbles. The bubble machine has colorful lights. Just pull the trigger, and it instantly fires a burst of colorful bubbles. It's dreamlike and amazing, creating a wonderful atmosphere with ease. It can also be used as a small fan. It's made from non-toxic ABS plastic with superior toughness and rust protection. It's safe for kids, toddlers, and pets. This product is safe, portable, easy to use, and easy to clean. This bubble machine brings endless fun and a dreamy atmosphere. Perfect for weddings, birthdays, parties, and outdoor play. You can also take many video photos with it, which will be a good choice. The set includes the bubble gun, 2 bottles of bubble solution, extra bubble solution packs, a plate, a battery, a charger, and a beautiful packaging box. Everything you need for a bubble-filled adventure is included. What we like. This bubble gun produces thousands of colorful bubbles, creating an amazing atmosphere. It's easy to use and safe for kids, ensuring hours of fun. If you are looking for a fun outdoor toy for parties or playdates, this bubble gun will bring joy and excitement to any event. What people say. This produces a ton of bubbles. The colorful lights add an extra layer of excitement, and the sheer number of bubbles it produces is nothing short of magical. It creates thousands of bubbles in seconds, which is always a big hit during playtime. Number 1. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. Introducing the National Geographic Earth Science Kit. This amazing kit is packed with over 100 experiments and activities. It's the perfect way to explore the wonders of science. With this kit, you can build a volcano, grow crystals, and even start your own rock collection. It includes everything you need to get started. It's a fantastic STEM project for kids. This science lab is designed for sharing. Kids can conduct multiple experiments with family, friends, or classmates. It's a great way to enjoy the magic of discovery together. The included learning guide teaches the science at work in each experiment. This helps children develop a deep and lasting appreciation for earth sciences. It makes learning fun and engaging. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, building young scientists' confidence. They can focus on the joy of exploration and discovery. It's designed to be hassle-free. We're proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. If there are any issues, we'll make it right. What we like. This kit offers over 100 experiments, providing a comprehensive learning experience. It combines education with fun, encouraging hands-on learning. If you have a curious child interested in science, this kit is an excellent way to spark their interest and provide them with exciting experiments. What people say. I recently purchased the Grizzy and the Lemmings toys for my kids and they absolutely love them. The toys are well made and durable, able to withstand rough play. The figures are detailed and accurately represent the characters from the show. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.